In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable and delete OneDrive in Windows 10, whether you're looking to free up some space, reduce system resource usage, or simply prefer using another cloud service. Disabling and removing OneDrive can help you achieve a cleaner, more efficient computing environment. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure everything is covered. To begin with, direct your attention to the system tray, located on the taskbar at the bottom right of your screen. Here, you'll want to locate the OneDrive icon. This icon typically resembles a pair of clouds. Once you've found it, right-click on the icon to reveal a menu containing various options. Next, from the menu that appears, click on the settings icon. This will open up a new window where you can adjust OneDrive's various options. In the window that appears, ensure you click on the Settings button. This will present you with a tabbed interface hosting various adjustable features and settings. Now, click on the Account tab. This tab allows you to manage the accounts linked to OneDrive on your computer. Here you'll see details about the account currently linked to your PC. To disconnect OneDrive, simply click on the option labelled Unlink this PC. This action will decouple your computer from your OneDrive account, effectively stopping synchronization with OneDrive. With the account unlinked, it's time for us to completely remove OneDrive from your system. To do this, you'll need to open your computer's settings. The easiest way to access settings is by clicking the Start menu, then selecting the gear icon. Alternatively, you can press the Windows key plus I on your keyboard. Once you are in the settings menu, navigate to Apps or Apps and Features depending on your Windows version. This section allows you to manage all the installed applications on your PC. Here you'll need to scroll through the list of programs until you find Microsoft OneDrive. Once located, click on it to reveal further options. Now click on Uninstall. At this point, Windows will confirm that you'd like to continue with the uninstallation process. Go ahead and confirm, and Windows will proceed to remove OneDrive from your system. This process might take a few moments, so be patient and wait for the system to finish the task. And there you have it, OneDrive has been successfully disabled and removed from your Windows 10 computer. By following these steps, you've not only unlinked OneDrive from your PC, but also uninstalled it, creating more space and potentially boosting your computer's performance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Be sure to check back for more tutorials and tips on optimizing your Windows experience.